How Bollywood ruined me. The way my mom recounts, I often think that when I started talking, I directly started singing Shah Rukh Khan's songs. Around 1994-95, we didn't have a TV. We had a radio and a truckload of audio cassettes spanning from Geet Ramayana to Raj Kapoor to Shah Rukh Khan songs. I was a baby radio that made no mistakes singing and dancing when Dad wasn't around. When he was, it was time for Johnny Johnny and Baba Black Sheep. Around 1998-99, Shah Rukh Khan's Kuch Kuch Hota Hai had taken the country by storm. On one particular heavily rainy day, my parents were watching the news in the living room while I was doing the usual, singing and dancing to the film songs in the bedroom. I had taken my mother's dupatta, which I often draped as a sari while imitating her. This time I was imitating the Sanskari Rani Mukherjee from the title track of Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. In the bedroom filled with Dad's engineering books, I was twirling and swirling to the rhythms of the theme song that Karan Johar still uses to open his every film. But unlike Rani Mukherjee, who fell in love, I lost balance and fell on the book rack near the balcony. The musical notes turned into my whiny, bloody cries in a split second. My chin was spraying blood like a red fountain. In the heavy rains, my dad put me on the pillion seat of his Bajaj scooter and rushed me to the hospital. My love for Shah Rukh Khan had cost the 9-year-old me 3 stitches on the chin and a fortnight of going to school embarrassed with a white beard of bandages on my thin face. The stitches still itch when I watch his movies. Bollywood taught me very early in life that falling in love can tear you up. Bollywood didn't just ruin my chin, it went further to ruin my mental health. A few months ago, I rewatched Rockstar and realized that watching movies no longer means that you are a spoiled brat. The first time I watched Rockstar was during my engineering days in 2013. In those days, I was supposed to study 14 hours a day. I had daily fights with my father because clearly I wasn't fulfilling his criteria, even though he was providing me with ample food, clothing and shelter. On one such day at lunchtime, I was fuming with anger after our argument. I dumped the roti sabzi on my plate and stormed upstairs to have my lunch in peace, slamming 2 doors on my way. At that age, with limited freedom, the most a teenager could do was stomp and storm out. So I did. My college friends had taken pity on me and given me a pen drive loaded with movies. I plugged it into the TV upstairs and Rockstar started playing. Our upstairs is not really a home. It's our preschool, which is why each door has a peep-in window to keep a watch on kids in different classrooms. I had no idea what the movie was about. Besides, I was so angry that I was barely even watching the movie. After a few minutes, out of nowhere, the boy and the girl, Jordan and Heer, started kissing. Right at that moment, my dad came upstairs to talk some sense into me. Through the window in the door, he saw the girl and boy fall down kissing. Now it was my dad's time to stomp and storm out. Fuming, he went downstairs and complained to my mom. Just see what she is watching. She is completely spoilt now. Not only was I not studying every waking minute of the day, but I was watching porn in the house. Of course, he didn't say porn. He doesn't know the word. I come from a family of teachers. But it was such a heated argument. What was my fault? I wasn't even watching the movie. But that Bollywood movie ruined my good girl reputation that I had been building since birth. After that, I lost the confidence to watch even a TV commercial in an open space. I preferred watching Tom and Jerry 2 from under the blanket, just like I read 50 Shades of Grey from under the blanket. A decade later, I now live alone in my rented room. I am 200% sure nobody will walk in stealth mode and peep in to check what I watch. I am finally healed enough to pick Rockstar again. I do have a few Bollywood fantasies like riding a bike in the deserts of Ladakh or wearing a sari in the snow, but apart from that, I believe Bollywood is done ruining my life now. How Bollywood... Hi, my name is Prajakta, and if you liked this week's episode, don't forget to tell me in the comments. Also, since nostalgia and fiascos are fun when shared, do subscribe and share this episode with your loved ones. Everything you need to know is in the description box below. See you next week. to Shah Rukh Khan songs. I was a baby radio that made no mistake.